In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a authentication 2.0 credentials inside of Google Cloud. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and open up console.cloud.google.com and then log in to your organization or your account. From here, it should look something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to these three burger icons or navigation menu. And then from here, you'll need to go down to your favorite products. Now from here, you'll need to go down to APIs and services, and from here, you'll need to choose the credentials. Now from here, you'll be able to see this page where you'll be able to see your API keys, your OAuth 2.0 client IDs, and your service accounts. Now your OAuth 2.0 will be visible down here once it is ready. From here, you will need to go up to the credentials tab, and right beside that, you'll see create credentials. Now once you click on that, you'll be able to create an API key, an OAuth client ID, or a service account. From here, you'll simply need to click the OAuth client ID to request the user consent so app can access your user's data. Once you click on that, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to click here to create an OAuth client ID. You must fill navigation of your consent screen, and then you'll need to configure your consent screen by clicking on this button right here. From here, you'll simply need to click Get Started, and from here, you'll need to add in the app information. From here, you can add in your app name, where you just need to write in the name of it, and your supported email address. From here, you'll simply need to click Next, and from here, you'll need to choose your audience, either internal or external. And if you click internal, it'll be only available to users within your organization, while external will be available for any user with a Google account. So you'll just need to click and choose the specific one and click Next. From here, you can add in the contact information where you'll need to enter in your email address where you'll be able to get notified for changes for your project. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to click Next, and then I agree to the Google API Services User Data Policy and click Continue. From here, you'll simply need to click Create, and now it's processing, and that can take a couple seconds to a couple minutes long, depending on how fast your internet is. And then from here, you'll be able to see the metrics right here. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the right-hand side, where you can see Create OAuth Client. Once you click on that, it should look something like this, where you can add application type, where either web application, Android, Google Chrome extension, iOS, TV, and desktop app. And here you'll just need to choose the specific one that is suitable for you. And from here, you'll need to add in the name and the URL and authorize redirect URLs if you have that. Once you have clicked all of this in, you'll simply need to click Create. And as you'll note, it will take approximately 5 minutes to a few hours for the settings to take effect. Once from here, you'll be able to see your OAuth client created, where you can see your client ID, your client secret, your creation date, and the status. You'll also be able to download this specific one as a JSON file by clicking Download JSON. From here, you can also click OK. And then from here, you'll be able to see your OAuth 2.0 client IDs right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!